Hey, Elsie.
Elsie, stay.
That's okay. This is a movie. We're doing a movie.
Oh, we are.
We're doing a movie. This is Elsie.
Come on, Elsie.
Ooh.
Come on, Elsie.
Back up. Elsie, back.
Back up, back up, back
Back.
up. Bigger wheels.
Back.
Back, back, back.
Back.
I always go beep, 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 beep. So they, come on, Elsie, let's go.
Good girl.
Go. There you go. She figured it out. And she's off. This is Elsie. She got hit by a train. But you'd never know. Nothing keeps her down. She's got a beautiful new purple powder coated car. She's here with her family. Everyone's happy, including Elsie. Where to go first? Where to go first? Where are you going to go?
You want to go sniff out some gardens?
Yeah, go on. Let's go sniff out some gardens. Go for it, honey. Yeah. Go. Go, Elsie. Yeah.
Well, the pits are so much better than the other ones.
Oh, yeah. It's called custom, you know,
Yeah.
for a reason.
Great.
That's a perfect fit. And the perfect balance for her.
Back up there
Yep.
rather than down like it was.
Yep. Oh, she's running.
I think she likes them better than the other ones.
Yeah, it's more stability because this. She's really.
like that.
She's having a great time.
Is that a happy dog or what?
That's a happy dog.
Oh my God.
That's a happy dog.
You're so wonderful.
Happy dog.